Today, we're making soft and fluffy ham mozzarella bread rolls. They are filled with savory ham and melted cheese, perfect for breakfast or a snack. Let's start by mixing 3 tablespoons of white sesame seeds with 2 teaspoons of black sesame seeds. Set this aside. Next, mix 250 grams grated mozzarella with 800 grams diced ham and set it aside. Add all the ingredients shown on the screen into a mixing bowl. Mix on low speed until all the ingredients come together. Increase the speed and continue mixing until the dough becomes smooth. Now add 30 grams unsalted butter and continue mixing on high speed for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the dough passes the window pane test. Divide the dough into 11 equal portions, about 80 grams each. Roll each piece into a ball and coat it with the sesame seed mixture. Cover and let the dough rest for 30 minutes. Press and roll the dough to about 5 millimeters thick. Make 4 evenly spaced cuts from the edge toward the center, stopping halfway. Place the ham and mozzarella filling in the center of the dough. Fold each section of dough over the filling one by one, securing it by pinching one corner onto the next section until the filling is enclosed. Gently pull the other corner of each section and tuck it underneath like this. Place each filled bun into a paper baking cup. Let the buns proof until they almost double in size. Once proofed, top each bun with a small piece of garlic butter. Bake the buns in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. When they are done, remove them from the oven and let them cool slightly before serving. These ham mozzarella bread rolls are soft, fluffy, and packed with a delicious savory filling. They taste best while still warm, perfect for breakfast, lunch, or a snack. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.